Welcome to Module 8. Build and launch your Agentic AI project. This is your capstone module, where everything you've learned comes together, from designing agents and memory to integrating tools and deploying them. Now it's time to build your own Agentic AI solution and make it real. Let's go step by step. Step 1. Choose your problem. Start with a pain point that needs automation or augmentation. Ask, what repetitive tasks can be delegated to an AI? What decision-making process needs intelligence? What industry or user problem excites you the most? Example ideas: resume analyzer for job seekers, research assistant for students, meeting summarizer for remote teams, SEO article generator for bloggers, customer complaint resolver for D2C brands. Step 2. Design your agentic workflow. Break the problem into logical steps that an agent or group of agents can handle. Ask, is it a single agent or a multi-agent crew? What tools are needed? Where will the agent store memory? How will you evaluate success? Example workflow. Goal: summarize and tag 3 competitor articles. Research agent fetches links. Summarizer agent condenses content. SEO agent extracts keywords. Output is compiled and emailed. Step 3. Build using LangChain or CrewAI. Now implement the logic using a framework. Use LangChain for flexible, single-agent workflows with tools, memory, and APIs. Use CrewAI if you need collaboration, task delegation, or multiple roles. Setup checklist. Install dependencies, LangChain, OpenAI, CrewAI, FaceCPU, etc. Securely set API keys. Define agents, tools, memory, and flow. Test interactions locally or in collab. Step 4. Add APIs and storage. Bring your agent to life with PDF and file handling, search or web scraping, email APIs, Gmail, SendGrid, database or vector memory, Face, Chroma, Pinecone, external services, Notion, Google Sheets, Stripe. Use tools to connect your agent to the real world. Step 5. Front-end and UI, optional. You can add a user interface for ease of use. Frameworks. Gradio, great for quick UIs. Streamlit, interactive dashboards. Next.js/Flask for full web apps. Telegram/Slack bots for chat-based interfaces. Or keep it terminal/CLI based if it's internal use. Step 6. Test and refine. Before launch, run multiple test cases. Log agent behavior. Check tool responses. Handle edge cases and errors. Limit token usage with clear prompts. Tip: add a feedback loop to help the agent learn or adapt with use. Step 7. Deploy and monetize. Ready to go live? Here's how. Deploy with Render Versal, Hugging Face Bases Replit, or AWS. Use cron jobs or webhooks for automation. Add access control if needed. Monetize via paid API access, monthly subscriptions, B2B SaaS tool, consulting plus white label solution. Remember, small focus tools can become big products. Bonus: promote your project. Don't build in silence. Post updates on X, Twitter, LinkedIn, Indie Hackers. Create a demo video. Run a free beta for feedback. Share in AI/tech communities. Collect testimonials and iterate fast. Key takeaways: choose a real problem you love solving. Design the workflow clearly. Use the right framework, LangChain or CrewAI. Integrate tools, APIs, and memory. Deploy, monetize, and share it with the world. That's the end of Module 8 and the beginning of your own Agentic AI journey. You now have the skills to build, ship, and scale AI-powered solutions that make a real impact. Whether you're a solo builder or future founder, this is your moment to create something meaningful with Agentic AI. Thank you for being part of this course. And remember, in the world of intelligent agents, you are now the orchestrator. See you on the launch pad.